There is a last thing which I would like to put here in our code, and it's a docstring. Do you remember when we spoke about docstrings? It's a type of documentation. If you would create a documentation or generate documentation to your code, docstring will be there. So docstring is very important. So if you remember, docstring goes like this. So we have 3 quotes, 3 single quotes, and we will write the first thing is what will be the result. So I will write return generated password. So it means the result will be this, okay? Return generated password. Now we will speak about parameters, and it usually goes like this. Num let, it's this parameters, it's this parameter, it's integer, and what is it? It's a number of letters which will be in password, correct? After that we have a num, it's integer as well, it's number of numbers which will be in password, and here is num char, so it's integer as well, number of special characters which will be in password. Okay, so now it's absolutely clear what is this, or what is this, and it means that here we need to put there the real integers, and the real integers are here. Okay, and now we can describe in general what it does, like the function choose random letters, numbers, and special characters. Another line, put everything in a list and shuffle the list. Okay, so it means mixed up the list items. Convert list to string and return it. Okay, so you can change it, of course, it's up to you. So perfect, I like it. So we have a password generator, and it's return generated password. So this line, if I will hover on the password generator, it will goes return generated password, and it's this return generated password. Perfect, I like it. So that's it. So we finished our password generator.